But I'm not even mad. I like the colors. They're not even bad. Like, look how it's following me. Oh my god. This is insane. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mariam, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I have a DJI Osmo Pocket unboxing. This was actually a birthday gift from my husband. Yes, my birthday was on April, but I lost some files, but I recovered everything. Plus my birthday vlog clips. I was so sad I couldn't be able to share that with you because I turned 30 this year. So the vlog actually will go up, the vlog actually will go up after this video. I filmed everything using this DJI Osmo Pocket. So if you want to see the quality, how the video looks like, subscribe to my channel and turn on notification so that you won't miss the video. So as you can see, actually I didn't get the creator combo. I just got the normal DJI Osmo Pocket. I know creator combo comes with so many accessories, but I didn't need them. The camera looks so good, like it's super tiny. The only accessories that I got is this protective cover. Actually it has really good material, but I used the cover only once. I got another one from Amazon. I'll show you that in one of my vlogs, and I'll include even other accessories that I got from Amazon. So far I have been using this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for like maybe 3 months now, and I really love it. I really like the quality, and it's a perfect travel camera. I went to Sicily last month and I vlogged every day, so I can't wait to show you all the vlogs that I filmed using this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So if you're just starting out with vlogging or you want something lightweight for travel, this little guy might be a perfect option. Let me know in the comments if you have used one before, or if you are thinking about getting DJI Osmo Pocket 3 too. Like seriously, this thing is smaller than my phone, smaller than my wallet. It's super lightweight. You can take this anywhere. I just can't wait to show you all the content that I filmed using this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I bought this wide angle, which I think it's a must-have, but depend which type of content you do. So keep on watching to see the differences between using wide angle and without. I am filming this with a DJI mic. The quality of the camera is so good, and so far even the audio is not even bad. I didn't get the mic because I have already DJI mics. I have these ones here. I use this all the time when I film. But for this camera, I am thinking about getting the mini mic. I think that will be perfect for this camera because it's smaller. I can use it outside. I can use it even with my camera if I need to. I'm not sure if I can use that for my camera. I don't know, because nowadays I love using mic even for my vlog. If you watch my vlogs, then you know. So yes, I am giving this camera 10 out of 10. I can't wait to start using it more for vlogging, and ooh, love this. Okay, let's try the face track and see how it works, because this is amazing. I can see already. Wow. Are you kidding me? I'm going to take banana. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. This is amazing. Look how perfect this is. I saw some review on TikTok and even here on YouTube, people that were like, they were not happy about like the quality, but I'm not even mad. I like the colors. They're not even bad. Like, look how it's following me. Oh my god. This is insane. I really love this. Oh my goodness. This is so good. I don't think if I'm going to be like using the face tracking like every time. This is only for like, I don't know, when I'm vlogging, like when I'm cooking or when I'm doing like cleaning video, this is going to be perfect. But for normal videos, you don't need to use the face tracking. So yes, stunning. This is so nice. Now we are going to try the wide angle. Actually, I have my wide angle inside here. So we're gonna try this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is wide angle. I'm going to try again. And this is without wide angle. Wide angle. Love this. Love this.